Okay, this is my experiment for Physics 1415. I'm going to make rain in my kitchen. To start out, I took 1 cup of water, put it in a Pyrex pan over a low flame. All messed up. And as you can see, the water is warm because there's steam coming up. So then I took a plate of ice cubes. I'm going to get some more. Okay. Ice cubes. And I'm holding it over the steam in the pan. And the ice cubes will start to melt. And as they start to melt, water droplets form on the bottom from the steam here. Oh, sorry, I spilled it in the line. But here, there's water. And they start to drip, which it's already dripped a couple of times. If you can see it. Oh, there's one. And as it starts to drip, it creates what looks like rain. Same effect that rain has. They're starting to drip a little faster now. You can see them hitting the water on the video. You can see the water moving. Every time you see a little ripple, that's a drip. And as the water and the steam heat up the ice cubes, more and more water droplets form, and it produces a harder and harder rain. And my plate is getting hot, so I'm going to give up. But the longer you hold it there, the more and more water that will produce, and it's the same effect as what happens when you make rain.